Hello beautiful people, and welcome back again to my channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Gloria and I'm a Canadian YouTuber. Please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, and guys, you know how we do it. Grab a friend and also grab something to drink, because in this video today we will be talking about the current travel restrictions and exemptions that has been put in place by the Canadian government for travelers coming into the country. So if you are ready, like I am, let's just dive right into the video. So just before we go ahead, I just wanted to say this as a disclaimer that I am not an immigration consultant, neither am I a licensed practitioner. The information I'll be passing across in my video today will be to the benefit of those who are intending to travel down to Canada, and I will be dropping the links to the Government of Canada website so that you can read more information and understand what requirements you need before you travel down. So I hope that clears everything. So Canada now requires all arriving passengers to show a negative PCR test result before they are being admitted into the country. Now, what that means is that before you leave your country of origin to come into Canada, you need to show proof of a negative test result, a PCR test result that has been done within 3 days, that is 72 hours. And after doing that, you also need to download the ArriveCan app. With that app, you give your personal information and how you're going to quarantine. Now, that being said, when you come into the country or when you're being admitted into the country, you are required to also self-isolate for a period of 14 days. Now, the thing with that is you can't go anywhere. So you also need to let them know when you fill the ArriveCan form how you're going to get groceries, how you're also going to get things to your house, because you're not expected to leave your house during isolation. And also, guys, failure to do this will also result in serious consequences. So you don't want to have any issues with the government of Canada, so you probably just safe to be in your house for 14 days. I'm going to also talk about those exemptions in just a minute. So you might be wondering who can come into Canada. Can I come into Canada now? The truth is, because of the travel restrictions that are put in place, you can only come into the country if you're eligible to travel. Now, there are lots of categories of people that are allowed into the country, and you can also unite with your family members. Now, that being said, I'm going to explain to you how you can visit immediate family members who are Canadian citizens, people registered under Canadian Indian Act, or permanent residents. In order for you to qualify as an immediate family member, you need to be a spouse or common law partner, a dependent child of a dependent child, a parent or a step parent, or a guardian or tutor. Now, in order to come into Canada, if you're under this category of persons, you do not need an authorization to come into Canada, but then you need to show proof that you're related to these people, right? And that requires you to present documents showing that you're related. Either you're the spouse, you're the mother, you're the dependent child, you're the guardian or tutor, or things like that. You need to prove to the officer that yes, you are an immediate family member of such persons. That's the only way you can come into Canada. And no, you do not need an authorization to come into Canada if you qualify as an immediate family member. Now, the other group is an extended family members who are Canadian citizens, people registered under Canadian Indian Act, or permanent resident. Now, in order for you to qualify as an extended family member to this set of people, you need to be in an exclusive dating relationship for at least 1 year. You need to be a non-dependent child, adult child for that matter. You need to also be a grandchild. It could be a dependent child of a non-dependent adult child, a sibling, a half sibling, or a step sibling. Also, a grandparent is also considered an extended family member of somebody who is considered a Canadian citizen, or people registered under the Canadian Indian Act, or permanent resident. Now, please, in order for you to come into Canada, if you are under this class of people, You also need to fill a form and get authorization before you're allowed into the country. So that authorization form is something that your family member who is here, your extended family member who is here, has to fill that form and send it to be approved before you're allowed to come into the country. Now, I'm going to put all of these links to all the things I've said so far. I know it's kind of too much information. I'm going to put all that link down in the description, and you can always go back to read and follow through. But I just want to stress this, that please know fully well that COVID test that you're taking is very, very, very important. You need to have that test negative. You need to have a negative result before you're allowed into the country. Also know fully well that you need to self-isolate for a period of 14 days. It is important, it is a requirement, it is non-negotiable. You just have to stay indoors for 14 days to curb the spread. And guys, I know you might have questions. Please let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button down below. And guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you stay safe during this period. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day.